Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm telling you about burnt cakes. When I first started my cake decorating business, yeah, every cake I baked was kind of burnt. I don't know. So if you're kind of on this table, this video is for you. Some cakes are supposed to be burnt. For example, this cheesecake, or kind of like burnt toast. Some cakes are supposed to be burnt because that's how they should be, but not all cakes. So the first trick is to preheat your oven to 160, guys. I know most people say 180, but 160 is the temperature. Don't do 180. The second trick is to use light colored pans. For example, let me tell you what I'm talking about. Like this video you're seeing right now, yeah, the pan is like aluminum, like silver, so it reflects away some of the heat that comes into it. It doesn't just absorb it. So when you use light color pans, you have a lesser probability of all your cakes getting burnt compared to when you use dark colored pens. Dark color kind of, it's physics, yeah, I think dark color kind of like absorbs and retains the heat, so your cake gets more heat when you're baking it in a dark colored pan, which is more prone to burning. So if you have this problem, try changing your pan. Number three, you're overfilling your cakes. If you overfill your cakes, then it's going to spend more time in the oven, which means it's going to burn because the surroundings would be baked and then the middle would be still raw, so you have to leave it for longer so it will burn. Number four, your oven is simply too hot. If your oven is too hot, your cake will burn before it even gets the chance to bake in the middle. So make sure you bake at 160, not 180. And everyone tells you 180, but take it from me, it is better if you bake at 160, because that way your cake will bake slowly and it will rise slowly and evenly, and that is what you want. That way you get the perfect results that you are looking for. And one of the ways to do this is to buy an oven thermometer. They're very cheap. They're like $2-3, and that way it kind of helps you like monitor the amount of heat in the oven in case your oven heat calibration is off or maybe a little off. So thank you guys for always watching my videos, and I hope you like this video, and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for always, and I'll see you next time.